Bienvenidos, I'm Chef Puppet, and you're watching Cooking at the Crib. Today we're gonna make better than sex brownies, right? I'm telling you. You might be laughing right now, but when we're done cooking, you're gonna think they are. Maybe not as good as me, but we'll see. First, what you wanna do is you wanna get yourself any kind of brownie mix, any brand. You pour that in, and the secret is you add some chocolate chips. You blend the chocolate chips, you mix the chocolate chips. Once everything's mixed, then we're gonna put them in our pan. You spread it, spread everything todo bien. Tú quieres todo bien hecho. Make a nice layer here. Spread that brownie mix, very flat, very flat. And you put it in the oven. And you cook it for a long time.
Beedo, 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 beedo.
I need a cigarette, man. Oof. You've been watching Cooking at the Crib. Chef Puppet out.